Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements and turning on iCloud Keychain. This stores your passkeys securely. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID across devices so they sync. Now open the app or website that supports passkeys and select the option to create or use a passkey. This is the first actionable step. You do this because passkeys replace passwords with cryptographic keys tied to your device, making logins faster and more resistant to phishing. You will now create the passkey, approve the site's request, and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once approved, the device generates a cryptographic key pair, and the public key is sent to the site while the private key stays on your device. Make sure to name the passkey if asked so you can distinguish accounts later. After creation, allow saving to iCloud Keychain. This synchronizes the private key across your trusted Apple devices for seamless future logins. You finish by signing in. Choose the passkey option on the site and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. No password typing needed. To ensure access if you lose a device, set up account recovery and add a trusted phone number or enable iCloud recovery contacts. If things go wrong and a device is lost, immediately remove it from your Apple ID and use another synced device to access your passkeys. If you can't, contact Apple support and use your recovery method to regain access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.